Changes in legislation are demanding traceability codes to be added to packages before they can enter the supply chain. But mistakes can happen at any time, causing hassle and product waste. Worst of all, a major recall. We've invested into finding solutions that help make the coding process safer and prevent errors from happening. These solutions not only simplify product changeover, they also take unnecessary workloads off the operator's shoulders and enhance production line efficiency. You may be dealing with hundreds or even thousands of labels, each requiring considerable amount of time and effort to maintain. Domino Automation makes this much easier to manage. By connecting to your external database of products, you can reduce the many labels into just a handful of manageable templates. From here, you can pull the correct data and auto-populate your template with a simple selection from a list, or even easier, a scan of a barcode. Come speak to one of our experts to find out more on how Domino can partner with you on your journey to improved efficiency and zero waste.